Hi, welcome to my video on a second derivative, but this time I wanted to look at the notation of y double prime, which is indicating the second derivative. And this is video number 1 on y double prime. We have an equation, xy minus 1/2 x squared equals -8. And we want to find the value of y double prime at 2, -3. Well, let's do the first derivative, which is y prime, which is the same as dy dx. So dy dx is the same as y prime, and d squared y and dx squared is the same as y double prime. So we're doing the derivative in terms of x. Instead of calling it dy dx, we're calling it y prime. So let's do the derivative here. So we have an equation, xy minus 1/2 x squared equals -8. So the derivative is product rule. So the derivative of x is 1 times y. Add on x times the derivative of y is 1. And instead of dy dx, we'll call it y prime. And the derivative of 1/2 x squared, 1/2 times 2 is 1 x, and this is d dx. And the derivative of -8 in terms of x is 0. So what we have here is x y prime equals x minus y. So y prime is x minus y over x. Now we have to do y double prime. So let's go down here. So we're doing the d dx again here. So that becomes y double prime. So the derivative of this expression here, the derivative of x minus y, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is y prime times x, and then we have minus x minus y, and the derivative of x is 1, and it's all over the denominator squared, which is x squared. So y double prime becomes 1 times x is x, x times y prime is x y prime, and we got 1 times x minus y is x minus y, but the negative of that is negative x plus y. Or you could say this is a -1 times these two terms here, which means you get a negative and a positive all over x squared. So that means y double prime is equal to, the x's cancel out, and I get a negative x y prime plus y over x squared. Now I could take this expression and put in here and do all the work on just getting x's and y's, but what I could do is take this expression, which is right here, and take the point 2, -3, and sub it into this expression. So y prime is x minus y, so that's 2 minus -3 all over x, which is 2. So that becomes, as a double negative, so that becomes a 5 over 2. Okay. Now, reason for that, because down here, now you can take, if you want, you have a negative x. So we have the, again, we have the point of 2, -3. So you can take the negative of the 2. Y prime is 5 over 2 plus the y, which is -3, all over the x, which is 2 being squared. Now we can simplify this expression. So when you multiply here, we have to multiply first. So that's the 2's cancel. So we get a negative 5 minus 3 over 2 squared is 4. So that's negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2. So rather than write it all in terms of x, it's easier when you're looking for this value at a point to work out the y prime to get the numerical answer for the slope, get the numerical 5 over 2, and then sub that into here along with the x's and the y's, and it makes it easier to do. You don't have to simplify in terms of x and y. So another problem, hopefully you understand, and if you do and you like it, click on my like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website www.mathfullyexplained.com to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. And that's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video will help you. Bye bye.